Welcome to the new Nissan XTrail Tech Drive Virtual Reality experience. If you're using VR goggle, ensure the straps are securely fastened. Now move your head and look around. If you're watching on YouTube, drag your mouse on the screen to move around. Introducing the new Nissan XTrail, the smarter, safer and sensational SUV. Let's move on to the interior with a quick kick beneath the bumper to open the motion-activated power tailgate. With technology that keeps you comfortable and connected, and an inspired design with little details that made a big difference, the new Nissan X-Trail innovates to make your life easier. Now, fasten your seatbelts and let's go for a drive. Preparing to start your journey in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Forward collision is the most common unavoided cause of motor accidents. With the new Nissan X-Trail's Nissan Intelligent Mobility safety features, accidents could be avoided. Now, let's start your journey again in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lane departure warning warns you if it detects that your X-Trail is drifting over to other lanes. Blind spot warning keeps an eye on the blind spot area and gives you a heads up if it detects a vehicle hiding there. Intelligent forward collision warning assists the driver when there is a risk of a forward collision with the vehicle ahead in the traveling lane. Intelligent forward emergency braking automatically engage the brakes to help avoid a collision or lessen the severity of an impact. Hybrid technology provide excellent fuel efficiency of 16.1 kilometers per liter and an exhilarating driving experience. Intelligent cruise control helps maintain an adjustable speed and set distance between your X-Trail and the car ahead. It can even stop and go in traffic for you. Welcome back. We do hope the virtual reality drive gave you a true-to-life experience. At Nissan, we take safety seriously as we envision all our drivers and passengers being protected by the vehicles that we build. The new Nissan X-Trail, simply sensational.